Kasalukuyan na aming iniimbestigahan ang isang earthquake fault. Makikita nyo ang ating mga kasamang scientists.
May nakawala po, aligay.
Si Scientist Jay, Scientist Edison, and Scientist Bong. Lahat yan mga scientists. Nag-aral ng 20 years sa elementary.
So magda-dive na lang ako.
Ayan, doon kami nanggaling sa pinakatuktok.
Wala, talo tayo. May ka doon, tapos talong ka doon.
Lang yan, makipatantaan na to.
Sisigaw ka na.
Oh, sama mo rin ako sa video para naman ganun. Record na yun.
Ayan, ganda ng ano. Lahat yun, ha?
We're here in San Fernando Valley of California. As you can see, it's very warm and very
Wow,
dry.
you don't know how to speak Tagalog na.
Yes. I was born,
You don't know how to speak Tagalog.
born and raised.
You know, it's so cold here.
Lego?
Naghanap po kami ng pauwi.